These bricks back into place. Can't hurt anything, but yeah. I don't know why that slid down there. Okay. Let's go see the problem area here. What's going on here? It's causing all the problems. Looks like there's a big bunch of crap built up here. Yep, definitely gonna have to clean this out. Great. So there's leaves here that's sort of gone in there, but I don't know why this is not set higher. Right. Grab these gloves and start pulling out the crap. Throw it up on there and wash it down. Stupid internal guttering, honestly. I don't see that this is a really weird angle to be working at. It's pretty steep. So I'm just gonna have to scoop it up by hand. I think that's all I can do. Maybe do that side first, I think. Alright. I've already started here, might as well just finish this off. Stupid guttering. Stupidest idea, honestly. Gotta be careful to not slip on the wet, muddy stuff here. Some crap, obviously from the last storm. It's come along. That's actually this cleared out. It's just this area. If you just scoops down from there, just collect. should take care of that for now. So the big chunk of mud and crap was, I think. Yeah. Two hands free would be good. I'm gonna go one hand, just could be at this muck. Other hand is holding onto the roof. Okay. Everything's gotta be difficult, doesn't it now? I think that should kind of clear most of it up. Let me go for a little bit more of this thing here. Moral of the story, people, don't get internal guttering. Never ever get internal guttering. Makes a job like this so much harder. Right. Go back up in there. Stay. Okay. The heck does this trap go down? Just do it now. Probably expansion, contraction in the sun, and just slides down. I don't know.